And this right here is why we moved to New Zealand. The lifestyle, hey Bevy? Bevan had his first full day back at work today. We've come down after dinner with the dogs for a fish. And in the morning, what are you doing first thing in the morning, Bev? Come for a Donny! This is Bevan's new life. Welcome. The next phase of construction is underway. We've got some cabinets happening. Now this isn't necessarily the final layout, but we're just playing around with different cabinets, seeing what fits in the space, and our wiring has all been completed, which is awesome. Means that everything can start going in now. So today is another big building day on the bus. So we'll try and get a few videos and keep you updated. Getting a nice collection of deliveries building up here. Our mattress, our solar panels, our air vents, our batteries, a dog for the bus. And today we are just hooking up the trailer because we're going in Bevy, aren't we, to get, what are we getting today, Bevan?
All the fly, boxing out, so the boxing out of the bed, boxing out the seats, framing for the shower, all the bits and bobs.
All the bits and bobs, exciting times. Because what got finished yesterday, Bevan?
Wiring, pre-wire.
Pre-wiring, which means we're ready to put stuff back in.
It is, it's exciting.
Yay, love you.
Can help with it?
Nah, you're doing such a good job on your own. You're so strong, Bevan.
That one's ugly.
Now the fun bit starts for me because I have no building skills. This is my tool today and I'm going to be cleaning around the disgusting windows while Bevy builds. So for the last couple of days of building, I have been unwell, so I have not come to the bus. But as you can see, Bevy has been working very hard and he has put in these, what are those, Bevan?
Side ply panels.
Ply panels on the side. I don't know what they're called. And he has also started to fit the kitchen. He has done a little bit of customization to this one, which a butcher block is going to go on top of. It's part of our kitchen as well as what's behind me on this side. And today, what are you doing today, Bevan? You don't know.
I'm going to frame out the bed.
He's going to frame out the bottom.
Do you want the big ones or the small ones?
Okay, decision time. Bye. Just meeting the new neighbour. Just trying to suss each other out. Bevy is framing out our bed. So this is a queen frame, right, Bev?
The lift up bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't, for cheap, I couldn't get the king.
Yeah, so this is a queen gas strut. So it will go for our storage, but Bevan's going to build it out with ply to make it a super king bed frame and it will take up the whole space. Meanwhile, I've been cleaning these things. Look at it, and then this is a 2 times cleaned one. I'm probably going to have to do them 4 times because they're disgusting. Let me show you on top though. Look at this. Look at that. So nasty.
Oh, man. What are you doing? You going to understand this when I tell this to you?
Yes.
As well as the video?
Yes.
So, our roof ceiling sheet will be behind there, so that there will stick below, but then that there is recessed up in, so your head will actually, it's only that much thick. We're only losing that much on the headlight.
Yeah.
So we can have it
Mm-hmm.
in the centre if you want.
Well, I think it'll look better in the centre.
It'll fit right there. I'll move those bars.
The only downside to buying somebody else's kitchen is that it is so dirty and you have to clean it all. Well, this is the dirty one because it's where the bin rollers went, but they're just really gross. So, gloved up, let's do it.
What's that? Alright, we're 3 weeks in. We've had a few setbacks time-wise. I've got started back at work. I've done 2 weeks for my brother's building company, so probably haven't done quite as much as I wanted to. But anyway, today is Sunday. As you can see, I've sort of framed up our bed system. Now, to maximise storage, we wanted to put the gas strut there, which I picked up off Marketplace for 150 bucks. Now it's a bit tight at this stage because it needs the bed on, but you'll get the gist. So when we want to lift something up, voila. So we're putting Super King on this guy, so the weight should be alright. Just using pliers at the sides. I'm going to frame out this end piece and maximise storage on each side. So I'll do an extra little top extension. But that's today's project. Alright? Alright, time for a bevy update. So I've completed the box section in the bed. I haven't completely finished it off, but I'll give you a bit of a... So what we're going to do, storage on this side. As you can see, maximises quite a bit. Now we're doing this is a Super King mattress going on a queen bed. So the mattress will come out to about there. So that's why I've had to make these sideboards that'll actually catch the rest of the mattress, but also maximise the storage. So yeah, so there's your lift up and storage galore. So I don't know. See what you think. Woo! Alright, time for a bevy reel moment. For some of you, most people picked up that speaking in front of the camera is not really a forte of mine. I don't know about you guys, if you guys have the same. So when Hayley wanted to start this YouTube channel, I was a bit like, nah, don't really want to be a part of it, happy to build it. But it's something I'm working on. I don't know if you guys feel the same. Hayley's an absolute gun in front of the camera. I've always been that person that enjoys being in the background. I love the building. I class myself as reasonably good. So I enjoy just building in the background. Other people can take the forefront. But anyway, I thought I'd let you know. I've been building now for 16 years. Sorry, I'm getting a bit distracted. There's a cow trying to get some ply sheets. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, don't know if that will make the edit. Yeah, I just wanted to say, you know, I'll work on it. It's something I'm going to get better at. And doing this, stepping out of the comfort zone, is actually a good thing. I think a lot of us need to do it more. And yeah, I'm actually quite enjoying starting to, you know, do this. And anyway, I'll carry on. Yo!